We're very interested in hiring gerontology students here at Amica. We have a lot of different types of services, and typically what I would think is the life enrichment, which we do activities and programming, but it also can mean certain things for concierge and serving. We're always looking to improve the quality of our team members, and certainly having the education background that the gerontology at Langara provides is a huge asset. So because the senior living is growing exponentially, we are looking at all kinds of different skills to bring into the senior living. We're looking at gerontology, which didn't exist before. We're looking at business and how those roles can fit with our organization.
We can work in residential cares, in hospices, in many places, not only in retirement homes. So the field is very vast.